Hi there guys, I'm Gus Screaming. Take a look at this adorable cat. He or she being attached with me. I'm here in a convenience store, and then when I'm about going to the jeepney to have my ride, see that there's a bag on your body, huh? Who made this to you? She or he crawled at me, and then afterwards, here we are. We're now closed. Close. Hi, say hi here. Don't be shy on the camera. Oh. Say hi. What's your name, by the way, huh?